When it comes to feeding pullets and breeders, nothing beats Big Dutchman's FLUXX Pan feeding system's ability to deliver a consistent amount of feed to your entire flock, resulting in uniform pullets and highly productive breeders. The FLUXX Pans, along with the straight line auger delivery system, provides you with a simple to install, low maintenance, and easy to use system that will last through many flocks, with little maintenance required. To demonstrate the flexibility of the FLUXX pullet and breeder feed pans, we will look at the different phases of a bird's life. The first phase is the brooding phase, which is from birth to about 3 weeks. The second phase is the grow-out phase, from 3 weeks to about 20 weeks. Finally, the third phase is the breeding phase, which is from about 20 weeks on. When your flock is in the brooding phase, the pans are flooded so the young birds have easy access to feed all the way around the pan. The FLUXX Pan is available in several configurations and is designed to allow young birds to enter and exit the pan easily. As your flock matures into the grow-out phase and are placed on a more restricted feed schedule, the need for fast and uniform feed distribution is extremely crucial. This is where the FLUXX Pan and the straight line auger system really perform. To produce the most uniform flock, even feed distribution is the most important criteria to consider. To distribute the feed quickly and evenly, we have engineered the FLUXX Pan to fill quickly and the straight line auger system to hold a positive feed charge. The positive feed charge maintains feed throughout the entire line, providing a consistent and even feed distribution to the entire house, with almost no lag time from one end of the line to the other. As seen here, the positive feed charge maintains feed within the auger tube, so each pan on the line receives the same amount of feed, at the same time resulting in a very uniform flock. Before the feeding cycle begins, the auger tube has a positive feed charge. When the feeding cycle starts and the auger begins delivering feed to the pans, there's plenty of feed within the line to deliver feed consistently along the feed line with no lag time. After the feeding cycle is completed, the feed level within the auger line is fully charged and is now ready for the next feeding cycle to begin. The speed and consistency of this feed delivery results in a very uniform flock, and the FLUXX Pan, along with the straight line auger delivery system, has proven time and again to deliver some of the most uniform flocks around. The FLUXX Pullet Pan is designed with a corrugated dish to evenly distribute feed to your birds, an internal lip to prevent feed waste, and baffles to keep the birds from flicking the feed outside the pan. When your flock reaches about 23 weeks of age, they are moved to the breeder house. For the purpose of feeding your birds in the breeder phase, we offer the Flux Breeder Pan, which is designed specifically for feeding female breeder hens. The Flux Breeder Pan and auger line share the benefits of quick and even feed distribution to every pan on the feed line. But to satisfy the demands of your breeder hens, Big Dutchman engineered features that are unique to this pan. When feeding breeders, it's important to keep the roosters out of the feed that's meant for the females. For this purpose, we've designed a female-only grill that allows adjustments to the width and height of the feed windows. This prevents the roosters from accessing the feed which is meant for the hens. The Flux Breeder Pan allows easy access all the way around the pan with 16 real feeding windows to accommodate the physical characteristics of your breed. The Flux Pullet and Breeder Pans share several unique features, such as a snap-on cap for simple installation and maintenance, industrial strength materials and rugged engineering for a long-lasting feed pan, 360-degree feed distribution within each pan, rotating pans for fresh and even feed within the pan, easy and precise feed level adjustments, and sliding shutoff to close individual pans. To get the best start for your pullets, a uniform flock, and the most productive breeders, choose the FLUXX feed pan system. The FLUXX system delivers feed to your flock while delivering positive results to your bottom line. The FLUXX Pullet and Breeder feed pans, the best value all the way around.